Breaking news. Protest. Our agenda for UN General Assembly on Tuesday. Akintoye. Hello, my wonderful people. It is because of this protest that is unplanned already to go for a 1 million march at the UN to demand for what we call referendum is why presidency has sent message to the southwest region of the country. In case you're not aware, go on Apple Line Media and see what Yoruba traditional monarchs have decided. Where from all the 6 states in the southwest, all traditional rulers were called together in a meeting, and what the meeting was all about was for them to take their position on section. And you know when they put gun to your head, if God not help you, say you get hurt, you go fight, if God not help you, you go just see yourself say you they betray your own very self. That is what some of them have done. Guess what? And so Akintoye is giving us the rundown, the full breakdown for what will be happening, come 14th, which is actually Tuesday. Please don't forget to give us Tuesday or Wednesday, yeah. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. The Nigerian Indigenous Nationalist Alliance for Self-Determination, an umbrella body of the self-determination group in the Southwest, South, Southeast, and Middle Belt, with Elena Omodua, has scheduled a 1 million man protest for the United Nations General Assembly, which begins on Tuesday, September the 14th in NINAS. A renowned historian, Professor Banji Akintoye, is representing the Southwest and Yoruba land. The Niger Delta Congress under the leadership of Tony Ndide is representing the South, Southeast and Middle Belt also have their representative in all of this. Professor is ready on ground to ensure that the legal framework for the demand of referendum is ready. All of us who are planning the 1 million man protest march at the United Nations headquarters, New York, on September the 14th are leaders of the NINAS, Nigerian Indigenous Nationals Alliance for Self-Determination. As the name makes clear, we are struggling to retain the self-determination of our various indigenous people of the South and Middle Belt of the country. It was part of our struggle from the beginning of the mobilization support for the international community for our cause. We recently carried out a legal and unconstitutional act. They legally carried out an illegal and unconstitutional act against us by the Nigerian federal government has brought it necessary for us to take the major step of a 1 million man protest rally now. As it is well known, the measures of the Yoruba youths can be conducting their self-determination quest by peaceful and law-abiding means. That is the occurrence and accordance with the deliberation we have begun. So they had mega rallies in Ibadan, Abeokuta, Oshogbo, Akure, Ado-Ekiti, each drawing millions of protesters with all peaceful, without any clash with the police or any such, without anybody being arrested, injured, or violated, and without any property being damaged. In fact, after each peaceful rally, leaders of the Yoruba determination struggle respectfully thank the police authority. One of our youth's principle of actions is that we will not engage in any form of riots or atrocities, but respect law and order. In spite of all this, our youth planned the mega rally in Lagos, and the federal government used their federal might to undermine the people, damage a lot of property, killed a young girl, and a lot of people unlawfully were arrested, 49 precisely, of the people who have come for a peaceful protest. These are many more. Why we are taking the 1 million march, why the president has taken it soft on the Fulanis who are killing Nigerians and want to funerize the country and Islamize it as well. Reliable information have it that the president is working hard to see to it that this group take over Nigeria, as he feel that all Fulanis in West Africa should actually be in Nigeria. The United States and all other nations that will be present at the UN are expected to listen to our plea and call for a peaceful referendum to determine the mindset of the people if we want to remain as one Nigeria or disintegrate. This is the purpose. We are aware of the federal government's plot and plan to ensure that planned 1 million man march do not even take place in New York as is being proposed. But guess what? It is not their call. This is not Nigeria where they do and undo and take laws into their hands. It's no longer business as usual. They cannot succeed with their plans. We are ready and it starts on the 14th. So my wonderful people, now so the matter they reach us. Now so they reach us as we talk and so. Well, they say waiting they go and be say with the 1 million man march is already on ground. Yes, already on ground, and the plan is that they will ensure that the match takes place to get the attention of the nations of the world so they can understand what is possibly going on in Nigeria. And the purpose of this is by the time they know what is happening in Nigeria, they are able to call. By the time they call for a peaceful referendum, nobody will be able to stand against it. Nobody, they will have to come and conduct it themselves, and they have to come and use their own machineries and all that. And at the end of the day, the result will determine if Nigeria will remain together as one or not. But may I put it to you that the federal government is already crafty about this, already planning, and plans are already in place to ensure that whatever they are planning is undermined. As a matter of fact, we have Ibrahim Gambari, Buhari's chief of staff, is already in New York for over 2 weeks now. Yes, we reported to you he's been there with some others. I don't know how they intend to prevent the 1 million march, but I mean that's ongoing. Yeah, that plan is on the pipeline ongoing. That's part of the arrangement, part of the things they are doing to ensure that the people's voice is not heard. Yes, so he's already on ground, and those things are on ground already. And guess what? Buhari is not planning to go. Yeah, he's not planning to go for this whatever on time. He's planning to go when the thing has finished, so that nobody will ask him any question. So they are trying to do everything humanly possible to frustrate the efforts of those who will be calling, for this referendum. But God will help us. We'll see and we'll get to the bottom of it. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Do have a lovely and a fantastic day. You remember you have a voice. Let it count. Bye for now.